So here's my Kidde smoke detector with the 10-year warranty and battery. This is the only brand that I've trusted with my family over the years. I love the thin aesthetic design to it and the fact that it does a fantastic job. Even when there's a little bit of smoke in the air, this thing always provides peace of mind and really starts to go off right away. So as you can see here, you have the simple test button, and then you have this to reset it once the battery comes out. Very, very simple to take the battery out. You simply turn it counterclockwise, pop it off, battery goes right in there, the 9-volt. And again, it just doesn't take up much space on the ceiling. And if you're looking for something to buy for life, this is definitely one of those things. With a 10-year warranty, you just cannot go wrong.